Okay, Ramblers. Tonight we're going to be talking about solving equations using the square root method. Remember, we're trying to, whenever we solve an algebra, we're doing PEMDAS backwards. So when we simplify, we start with the parentheses, take care of the exponents next, multiply and divide, then finally add and subtract. But when we solve, we're going to start with any addition and subtraction, then do the multiplication and division, then exponents, and then work inside the parentheses. So let's take a look at one of the problems from tonight's homework. So number 5 says 3 times x plus 3 in parentheses squared equals 48. So if we're solving, we want to start to undo any addition and subtraction. There is some addition here, but it's inside this parentheses, so there's nothing we can do until the end about that. But we do have some multiplication and division. We're multiplying by that 3. So let's divide by that 3. What we do to one side, we have to do to the other. And so we get x plus 3 squared equals 16. Okay, so now that we've handled the multiplication and division, let's take care of that exponent. How are we going to get rid of the 2? Well, we're going to take the square root of both sides. And when we do that, the square root and the squared cancel out. And so on the left, we have x plus 3. And we all know the square root of 16, that's just 4. But because we're taking the square root of a variable, we have to put positive or negative. So it's not just positive 4, it could also be negative 4. So that gives us two cases. Either x plus 3 equals positive 4, or x plus 3 equals negative 4. So let's go ahead and solve each of these. I'll subtract 3 from both sides, and we get x equals 1. Or subtracting 3 over here, we get x equals negative 7. So those are your two answers, x equals 1 or negative 7. Okay, Ramblers, good luck with the rest of the homework.